In this lesson, we're going to look at frequency tables. Frequency tables is a way to condense a list of data into a compact form so that we can quickly see what the overall results look like. So in this example here, they've collected the height of in inches of all these grade 4 students. Now you can see they've done in a frequency table here. We've got first category is 41 to 43 inches. So we're going to go through the list, and every time we see a height between in that category, we're going to mark a tally. So for example, if I go through the first one I find is, I can't find one now. Okay, we have a 43 here. So when we see a 43, I'm going to put a mark, a tally. And I have another 43 here, so I'll put another tally. So they're just little lines, or we're going to count up in like Roman numerals for that. So for that, we've done that. So let's move on to have a look at the next category. So 44 to 46. So we go through our list. Here's a 45, so I'll mark one. We've got 46. 46, so there'd be another 2 marked on there. Keep going through. We're looking for 44 to 46, so there's another one, so 4, and I'm going to keep going. Now I get to 46. So often when we do this, when we get to a 5, we draw a line down there like that, so a little like Roman numerals. Then we have another 46, like so. There's another one there, and I'm so slowly going through. There's another one there, 45. Here's 1, 2, 3, 4. So I'm going to add another 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, so what we're actually doing is then over in the frequency, we just change that to a number. So there's 2 there, and this one is 12. I had 2 groups of 5 plus the 2. So if we keep going, and we can do all the other categories, so say like 47 to 49, and I start counting them up as well. Okay, so once we've finished going through all the lists and we have the tallies, so you can see quickly, it helps us quickly categorize, and we can see maybe that this category was the highest. And when we have the highest frequency, that is often called the mode or the modal category. Could you depends what they might use for that. So they could use that wording. Now all our numbers should add up to 36 because they told us a total. So a frequency table will have a total. So if we have a look, we've got 2 plus 12, that would be 14, plus another 10 would be 24, plus another 9 would be 33, plus another 3 is 36. So we're correct in what we've found out there. Okay, so here again we're doing the same thing. So another way you can do it is you can just go through the list and start doing your tally. So say for 1777, I go find where that category falls into, and that's there, and I put a mark. And 756, I find that category and I put a mark. 780, find that category and I put a mark. 785, find that category, and so on. And we can keep doing that until we've filled in the table. Okay, so I've filled in all the tallies, then I wrote the totals here on each one, and then I double checked down there that they all added up to what they said, which was 54, which they did. So that's a frequency table. So if I have a look here, for me in this one, the modal category, the highest one was a 9. So this 776 to 780 is the mode category, the most frequent.